A potentiometer wire of length 100 centimeter has a resistance of 10 ohm. It is connected in series with a resistance and a battery of EMF 2 volt. This is your standard battery. A source of EMF 10 millivolt, and that is your primary battery, is balanced against the length of 40 centimeter. And what is the value of external resistance? Okay, so we will draw. First we will draw the potentiometer, and this is your external resistance, and it is connected to standard battery, which is 2 volt, and this is your potentiometer wire. Let this length be AB, and it is joined to a primary cell of 10 millivolt and 10 millivolt battery. No internal resistance given, so internal resistance is neglected, it is 0, and it is connected to galvanometer G, and your balancing point is here. This is your galvanometer and your balancing point here. Let it be X, and length AX is your 40 centimeter. And we should keep in mind that our positive terminal of both standard cell and primary cell must be connected together. So positive is connected with positive, and your balancing point is your 40 centimeter. Let's find, this is your 10 millivolt. Now what should be the current? Let's find the current. Current is your EMF. I am finding current of this circuit. It is 10 millivolt, that is 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by resistance. So what will be the resistance of this 40 centimeter? So let's do it orally. 100 centimeter has got resistance 10 ohm. So if 100 centimeter has got resistance 10 ohm, so 10 centimeter will have 1 ohm resistance. So 40 centimeter will have 4 ohm resistance. So 10 by 4, this much ampere. So I is your 10 by 4, that is 5 by 2. Let's write 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, this much. And same current will have in main circuit also. And let's use this current in main circuit. And let's find R. So in main circuit it is 5 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is the current in also. Main circuit's current is also 5 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. And let's find this current must be equal to voltage divided by resistance. So what is the voltage in main circuit? That is 2 volt. Very fine. And your resistance is main circuit, there are two resistance. One is resistance of this where AB and external resistance are, and AB has got resistance 10 ohm and external resistance is R. So it is going to be 10 plus R. Okay. 5 by 2 by 1000, and this is equal to your 2 by 10 plus R. Now let's go cross multiply it. So it is going to be 50 plus 5R. 50 plus 5R is equal to 2 to the 4. It is going to be 4000. Okay, 4000. And 5R is equal to 4000 minus 50. 4000 minus 50. So this is 3950. And your R is 3950 divided by 5 ohm. And if you cancel it, it is going to be 790. So your R external resistance is 790 ohm. So this is your result. And this is a problem sometime way back asked in IIT, and we have solved. And you can solve in your own way also. And this is one of the way. Okay, fine.